If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need pebbles in different shapes and sizes, a selection of kids' acrylic paint, paintbrushes, googly eyes, glue dots, pipe cleaners, cool melt glue gun and glue sticks. Start by painting the pebbles in your chosen colours. We're using black kids acrylic paint. For an even coverage, a couple of coats may be needed. Make sure each layer of paint is dry before applying the next. Once the paint has completely dried, apply the googly eyes using glue dots. To make the spider's legs, bend 2 pipe cleaners in half and twist to secure. Do the same with another 2 pipe cleaners. Add a blob of glue onto the back of the pebble and stick the twisted section of the pipe cleaners, one to either side of the pebble. Bend the legs into shape. Repeat the process to make even more pebble spiders.